Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.1.11 Tab name syntax. All cost workup tab names start with a format number. There are 7 active cost workup sheet formats. The number is followed by the component. The component is followed by the section. After the section, there is a combination of feature, location, subfeature, position, or direction. The combination depends on the item being defined. The sequence is always the same. The example uses Format 1 base, Format 2 door, Format 4 shelf. Format 1 is the basic and largest layout. It is used for most fixture cost workups. Format 2 is for doors, Format 3 is for drawers, Format 4 is for shelves, Format 5 is for edge talkers, custom merchandising hardware, Format 6 is for graphics, signs, visuals, abbreviated GSV, Format 7 is for electric, including fans, lights, power supply. This example 1.1.11 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.1.12.